Hey, my name's Eric and this is my van Sky. It's a 2014 Ram ProMaster 159 wheelbase. So I decided to get a camper van just because, I love the beach and I work remote, so I can work at the beach or wherever I want. I love nature and the van pretty much enables me to get out in nature more often and be comfortable while doing it. So since I went with the mid-length Ram ProMaster, I had limited space inside and I don't have any seating in the back, so I decided to get some swivel chairs and a lagoon table. So the lagoon table can also swivel over to make an extended kitchen counter right there. So here's where I do all my remote work and my gaming also. I have a 24-inch gaming monitor right here. You can put your laptop here, you can put your paperwork here, you can cook food here. I decided to go with a pretty big space here just for the multitasking effect, and I have a portable monitor I'll also set up sometimes too if I need that extra screen space. So here below the workspace we got a fridge freezer combo. You could probably fit about a week's worth of food in the fridge and the freezer for 2 people. The fridge does run off of 120, but it's not really an issue. We got a huge battery bank in the back. We also got some open shelving up here for miscellaneous stuff. There's some books. And then we got some sun covers up here, med kit, some blankets. So here by the sliding door, we got the kitchen. We got the sink. We got a Brita filter for some fresh water. It does both hot and cold. We have a 7-gallon hot water heater and a 55-gallon fresh water tank. Here we have a 2-burner stove ran by propane. It can go for months before you have to refill it. Here we got Wi-Fi, get up to like 200 megabytes a second. Here we got an espresso machine to get your morning coffee on. We have some kitchen supplies up here in the top drawer. And I went for these blue tiles. They're just stick on, but thought it looked pretty good. Then we got some pots and pans down here. We got some utensils here, and we got a fully functioning microwave here. All right, so here we have the shower and the bathroom.
I'm Nate Murphy, author of the Van Conversion Guide, and I just want to let you know that I'm hosting a free online training which will teach you how to make van life zero cost or profitable. In this free seminar, I will show you exactly how to choose a van, build it out in a profitable way, and avoid the mistakes that most people make. I will show you how I made van life completely free and a bunch of other stuff that people don't really talk about. If you want to join, click the link here or in the description and register for free. I'll see you there.
The shower does both hot water and cold water. So I decided to get a shower because after a long day at the beach or a long night at the bar, it's nice to rinse off and get clean before getting into bed. I use it pretty often, but not as often as I thought, but I wouldn't change anything because I love having a dedicated space for the toilet. It's a Thetford toilet, and it's nice to be able to go when you need to, when you're in a tough spot. So here I have a full-length closet right next to the shower, so you can grab your towels and your clean clothes here. I have clothes in here right now, so I'm not gonna show it, but yeah. Lots of space. So here we also have access to the garage space. In case you want to fit a surfboard here or something. You can fit up to like a 10-foot surfboard. So here we got the back of the van, and we got a queen width bed, and it's about 76 inches long. We have some cabinet space up here, some extra blankets. So here we have the AC for those hot days. We have the kickouts on the side for extra tall people. I'm 6'2" and I still have space on the ends. And I went with the raised bed so that I could have extra storage space underneath. So as you can see, I don't have any overhead bins here. I didn't want to be smacking my head at night, and I wanted to be able to sit up and work on my laptop in the bed if I wanted to. I also have 2 fans here. This one pushes in and this one pulls out, so there's always some fresh airflow going through the van. So here we have the garage. We have the 55-gallon water tank. We got the batteries, 600 amp hours, 400-watt solar. Charges when the engine's running too. We got some camping chairs here. We got the inverter. We got a storage bin and my electric skateboard for fun. And here we got the sunset here at Torrey Pines. Well, thank you guys for checking out my van. If you want to rent it, go ahead and go to GoCamp and rent it here in San Diego. Thank you.
If you didn't notice, I am offering a free online training which will help teach you how to make van life free or profitable. In this video, I will show you exactly how to buy a van, how to fit it out in a profitable way, and teach you how to avoid the mistakes that most people make, and all the other stuff that almost nobody else talks about. If you are thinking about converting a van or living van life, it'll be one of the most valuable things you will ever watch. Just click the link, register for free, and I'll see you there. Another great place to start is to get the van conversion guide. It's packed with useful information and includes 20 video lessons to help you convert a van. Check our website, all the information is there.